Welcome guys to the new video. Today I'm going to show how to make the fingerprint work faster on Samsung phones and other phones that have fingerprint. It will work for both. So you need to go to the fingerprints and delete all the older fingerprints. So I deleted earlier and registering my left thumb fingerprint. So you need to register your fingerprint. So here you can see I added two fingerprints, but I added in real life only one, but with double data. And so I'm going to lock screen now. Lock screen type, just taping a pin really fast, and fingerprint, just make that on, and so we can see that it's more fast and more accurate because have two data of the same fingerprint that will read every time. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment for any suggestion for the new videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.